Navigating your banking options can feel overwhelming, but opening a new account with Westpac online is a surprisingly straightforward process. You can set up your everyday and savings accounts without ever stepping into a branch. To begin, visit the Westpac website and select the type of account you want to open. Most common accounts, like the Everyday Transaction account, are available for online application. You will need a few things ready before you start. Make sure you have your mobile phone, as it's often used for verification. Crucially, you'll need personal identification documents. A valid Australian driver's license or passport are ideal, but check the Westpac site for a full list of accepted documents, which might include a Medicare card or other forms of ID. The online application itself usually only takes a few minutes. You'll be guided through a secure form where you input your personal details and then upload or verify your identification. Keep a clear copy of your chosen ID handy. Once your application is submitted and approved, you'll receive an email confirmation with your new account details. You are automatically registered for online banking, and a linked debit card will be posted to your address. That's it. You've successfully opened your new Westpac account online. Remember to download the Westpac app to start banking instantly and manage your finances on the go. Enjoy the convenience of modern banking.